Were you in an accident? Ask yourself, what should I do? Today we are going to share with you different steps in how it is that you should handle the situation if you are involved in an accident. Accidents can happen to anyone when we least expect them, and knowing what to do in the immediate aftermath can make all the difference. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on what to do if you find yourself involved in an accident. The first thing is to ensure that you are safe. The safety of all individuals involved should be your first priority. If possible, move your vehicle to a safe area and avoid obstructing traffic or causing further crashes. We also encourage that you turn on your hazard lights to alert other users of the road that there is an accident. The next thing that you do is to check if everybody is okay. Check if anyone have received any injuries from the accident, and then it is that you call the medical assistance. The number that we use in Jamaica is 110. If there are injured persons, do not attempt to move them, because if you do not have those skills and know how to move injured person, you will find yourself in issues. The next thing that you do is to gather relevant information. You need the information from the other person that was involved in the accident. You need their full name and contact information. You need the vehicle registration number. You need to know who insured them, the policy number of their insurance. You need a copy of their driver's license. And if there are witnesses on the scene, collect their information. That includes their names and telephone numbers that they too can give evidence. The next thing that you do is to document the scene. What do we mean by that is to ensure that you take photos of the accident scene. Take photos of the damaged vehicle. Take photos of the license plates, the road condition, anybody who has any visible injuries, and this evidence will support your claim when it is time for you to do your accident claim. The next thing that we do is to ensure that we contact the police whenever you are involved in an accident. Police must be called, whether it is a minor accident or a major accident. Police must be called and a report is made to the police. You have to ensure that you lodge this report, that when it is time for you to do any claim whatsoever, then you can actually go and get a police report of the accident. The next thing that we advise that you do is to seek legal representation. When you're involved in an accident, whether it is that you have received injuries or it's just for your property damage, you need to be guided properly. So we always encourage persons to seek the advice of an attorney who knows the ins and outs of filing an accident claim on person's behalf. That's your right to do. Alright, so in the next video, I hope this video was informative. In the next video, what we will do is to outline to you step by step as to what is expected of the attorney when it is, or the law firm, when it is that you take your case to them to file an action on your behalf to get whatever claim that you need, or compensation rather. So see you in our next video.